Hello everyone, welcome back to your biology classes. Today we are going to discuss photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the exact equation like the cellular respiration, but reactants become products and products become reactants. Now, photosynthesis is the process that is used by plants in order to take inorganic molecules and turn it into organic molecules within its own body. So it's we call these autotrophs, which means that they produce their own food by taking inorganic compounds and turning them into organic compounds. So photosynthesis is used by autotrophs, and as we mentioned, autotrophs are the organisms that produce their own food, for example, plants or algae or some types of planktons. Okay, great. So we have two types of autotrophs. We have chemosynthesis and we have photosynthesis. They both turn inorganic into organic, but chemosynthesis is without light, without the use of light, and photosynthesis is with the use of light. So this is the difference between chemosynthesis and photosynthesis. So all animals are heterotrophs. They cannot make their own food, and they depend on autotrophs either directly or indirectly. Directly how? These are the animals that we call primary consumers or the herbivores, which eat plants and they survive on plants. Indirectly by, for example, if you eat the primary consumer. Now, without plants, there wouldn't be primary consumers, so even carnivores would not be able to survive because the animals that they prey on are no longer available if we do not have plants around. Okay, great. Now, what you should know about photosynthesis is that it takes place in the leaf, in the chloroplasts, okay? So, we have for example, here we have the leaf, and inside of the leaf, we have these thylakoids that are inside of the chloroplast, for example, and we have between them the stroma or whatever. Now the color here, it's going to be green. So photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts that are present in the leaves. So, photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts that are present in the leaves. Now, what is going to happen here? You should also know that in the leaf, in the lower epidermis, we have upper epidermis. Let's say, for example, this is the leaf. We have an upper epidermis and we have a lower epidermis. In the lower epidermis, we have what we call stomata. Now, what is the stomata? The stomata is a small openings, for example, like these pores on the lower epidermis, and they are responsible for gas exchange, taking in CO2 and giving out oxygen, and also for transpiration, which is loss of water. So, stomata, first, it's going to give us gas exchange. And also transpiration, which is loss of water. Okay, now another thing that you should know about chloroplasts